In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Vercel account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you permanently remove your personal account. Keep in mind that this action can't be undone, so follow along carefully and take a moment to make sure this is really what you want. First, open your preferred web browser and head to vercel.com. For the smoothest experience, do this on a desktop browser and ensure your internet connection is stable. You'll need to be signed into the account you want to remove. If you use multiple logins, double check that you're currently in the correct personal account to avoid any mix-ups. Once you're on the site and signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It may appear as your avatar, initials, or a small user circle. Click that icon to open the account menu. This menu is your quick access point to account-specific options and workspace controls. From that drop-down, click Account Settings. This will take you to a dedicated page with settings for your personal profile, security, billing, and more. It's a good place to quickly confirm you're in a personal account rather than a team workspace, since the option we're looking for applies to personal accounts. On the Account Settings page, scroll down. You're looking for the section that typically contains critical actions, sometimes labeled as a danger zone or advanced options. Scrolling ensures you see everything on the page, including warnings and any relevant notes about what will happen if you proceed. When you find the option, click Delete Personal Account. At this point, Vercel will usually display a confirmation prompt to make sure you understand the consequences. Read the message carefully. Deleting your personal account will remove your access to personal projects, settings, and related data associated with that account. You may be asked to confirm by typing a specific phrase or by acknowledging a checklist. Complete the confirmation as prompted, then finalize the deletion. After you submit, expect the account to be scheduled for deletion and for access to be removed. If you receive any confirmation emails, keep them for your records. Deletion is permanent and can affect any personal deployments, environment variables, and logs tied to that account. Team workspaces you belong to are separate, so their resources won't be deleted with your personal account, but your personal access to them will change according to the team's settings. That's it. You've successfully navigated to Vercel, opened your profile menu, entered account settings, scrolled to the critical section, and selected Delete Personal Account. Proceed carefully and only when you're sure.